Hello and welcome along to another behind the scenes. We're going to look at the stem splitter and some fun stuff that apparently you can do with it. I've got some files ready to try out, but I haven't done it. So you're going to be hearing this for the first time, as will I. So let's have a look at what we can do. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe, always appreciated. So I've got three things here. So the first one, this is a band I used to be in. Believe. Tell me a story since you made me smile. And what we're going to do is see if we can stem split it. Not that one. Processing stem splitter. So we can choose which elements we want it to try and extract. Is that it? Could be. All very exciting. So hello to Matt, Johnny, Joel, having your bass extracted as we speak, and Colin on drums. This is one of those situations where I say, let's put the band back together. Okay, what's it done to Matt's vocals? Tell me a story of 1,000 years since you made me smile. Okay. Not too bad. What's it done to the drums? Nothing yet, because we haven't got any. Oh, there we go. Let's get to a busy bit. When I'm on my knees for you, do you like it? Bit of keys coming through. Just tell me one thing that I really miss. Do you feel that way? Or do you like to stay at home? That's not done a bad job, actually. I mean, if I wanted to redo the guitars and keys, that would probably work. Okay. Well, there we go. That's what you can do. Let's get rid of those. Now, the next thing I wanted to try was, what if you wanted to score your own movie? So we have here a scene from Star Wars. Okay, so we've got music coming in about there. So let's use the stem splitter. What I want is just sound effects. Let's just split it like that and see what happens. So what have we got here?
Echo Station 3TA. We have spotted Imperial Walker.
Echo Station 5-7. We're on our way. All right, boys, keep tight now.
That's pretty cool.
All right, boys, keep tight now.
Luke, I have no approach vector. I'm not set.
Steady, Dak. Attack pattern Delta. Go now.
Okay, so the drums
All right, I'm coming in.
the drums and bass haven't really picked much up there.
Bobby, you still with me?
Everything else is on other, but it has spotted the vocals. That's cool. I could.
All right, boys, keep tight now.
Luke, I have no approach vector. I'm not set.
Steady, Dak. Row group, use your harpoons and tow cables. Go for the legs. It might be our own. All right, stand by, Dak.
Oh, Luke, we've got...
Hang on, Dak. Get ready to fire that tow.
That's pretty cool. So that was if you wanted to rescore a film. Let's get rid of that. And the other one I was thinking was, what if you want to rescore a trailer? So I got Top Gun, the original trailer. I assume.
The need for speed.
Now, is it going to extract those as well? That would be cool. Split. So can I solo?
I'm going to send you up against the best. Yes, sir. You two characters are going to Top Gun.
I feel the need for speed.
For 5 weeks, you're going to fly against the best fighter pilots in the world. You guys really...
Flies by the seat of his pants.
Yeah, I guess when I see something, I go right after it.
It takes a lot more than just fancy flying.
Film in this school is... No, I think I can figure that one out on my own.
Tom Cruise, Kelly McGillis. Top Gun.
Okay, right. That's going to be really good fun. Right, I hope that gives you an idea for... Oh, you could do so many cool little show reels, putting your own music to that. Crank out some 80s synth. That could be really good fun. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe, always appreciated. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.